Ouch.
This metal piece is installed at a 20-degree angle, so let's see how far I can make it. Okay, so let's see. The rear wheel still touching on the ground, just barely. So let's measure how far. Almost 10.5 inches to the center of the wheel. Now let's see how high it is. Around 3.5 inches above the ground. I found this website, the rangerstation.com, to measure the RTI score on the ramp, on the 20-degree ramp. Here it explains what it is, how it's calculated, and how to improve. Here's the formula, and here's the calculator. So I entered already all the data. So 10.5 inches up the ramp, 6 inches wheelbase, so it makes a score of 1750. Another way to calculate is distance from the ground. So I measured 3.5 inches by 6-inch wheelbase on a 20-degree ramp. So that makes a score of 1705, which is a little lower. But if I take the RTI score and the wheelbase with the 20-degree ramp, it makes a vertical ground distance of 3.59 inches.